We're here with Anthony at Raw Feeders. Tell us a little bit about Raw Feeders.
Well, raw feeders came about through there being a gap in the market for a complete and balanced, easy to do raw feeding option. Raw feeders previously they had to boil raw materials, do all their makeup themselves, get their blends and the percentages correctly, do a complete and balanced meal for their animal. We've actually developed it in a single patty. There's 14 single patties in there. Open up the bag, put it in the bowl, and nothing else they need.
And all your manufacturing is done here locally?
Done here on site. We use all human grade ingredients, human grade process. There's nothing to stop you grabbing one of these patties and cooking up eating. So.
Now, obviously the business uses Fishbowl, that's why we're here. How does Raw Feeders use it day to day?
So I found the product very easy to use. I've used some very high-end ERP systems previously, and to use Fishbowl is very user-friendly, very easy to learn, and I've managed to get to the point now with our systems that we know what stock we have, whereas previously it was uncharted territory, whereas now we have a bit of control over our raw material and our stock in our house.
How is that all being handled with transfers?
Really well. Like for me, all I do is I produce the product. We then have the lady over in head office who will transfer that product out to the 3PLs and from the 3PLs out to our customers. And that system is working really, really well.
Okay. You guys have got some extra training where it's, in fact, we've been back out on the site and training these team members, including yourself. How did you find the training?
And look, mate, it helped me. It took 2 training sessions, and I feel like I'm a bit of an expert in the system on the production side of things. And it was very user-friendly. You were quite relaxed, and I didn't feel like I was intimidated or stood over as you do in some of those training sessions.
And you guys use it, you call for support a little bit, obviously when things come up, you have questions.
Personally, I haven't really support team. I'm a bit stubborn, or I'm working my way through something. But I believe Claire and a couple of the other users have had interactions with their support team. I think it's very helpful.
And I guess this is a bit of a crystal ball question. Because you are relatively new to the product, where do you envisage Raw Feeders growing with Fishbowl, to enhance the business operations moving forward? Like, what are the big goals?
The big goals for us is obviously stock control. We weren't very good at it previously, and understanding what stock on hand we have.
Batch numbering,
lot control, use by dates, everything like that is a bit of a mess, and we're now at a point thanks to the use of the system that we know where everything is. Awesome. So moving forward, that's only going to make our business more viable.